Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 5th, subject Maths. So yesterday we have started the revision of topic volume. Okay, so we have completed the formulas. Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay, and volume of cube is equal to side into side into side. Okay, now we have to start the example. So we have completed up to this one, right? So first of all, the definition of volume. The volume of an object is the amount of space occupies. Then next, volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Then volume of cube is equal to side into side into side. Now see here, we will see the examples in 8.5. So it may be asked you for 2 marks. Okay, if length, breadth and height is given, you can calculate the volume of cuboid now. So let's start. It is cuboid in shape, so volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. So 20 into 10 into 6. So 20 into 2, 200. 200 into 6, 1200 centimeter cube. Okay. Then volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. So here 6 into 2 into 2.5. 6 to the 12. 12 multiplied by 2.5. We get 30.0 centimeter cube. Okay. Then volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So it is 30 into 30 into 20. What we get here? 3 3s are 9, 900, and then 20, that is 18,000. Okay, centimeter cube. Now next. See here, if such type of figure is there in exam, you have to split up this figure into cube or cuboid. Okay, so here we have split up into two cuboids. Okay, cuboid 1 and cuboid 2. So volume of first cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. That is, see here, it is 6 into 2. Okay, so this is 2. Okay, and this is 6. This total is 8, and this one is 2. That means this one is 2, means up to this it is 2. So it is the 6. Okay, 6 into 2 into 7. That is 6 to the 12, 12 7 the 84 centimeter cube. Okay, then next, volume of second cuboid is equal to, this is the length. So what is the length? 2. Then 2 and height is 4. So 2 into 2 into 4. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. 16 centimeter cube. Okay. Now next. Total volume is equal to volume of first cuboid and volume of second cuboid. That is 86 plus 16. What we get here? 100 cubic centimeter. Right. Now see the second figure. So we have to split this figure into 3 cuboids, cuboid 1, cuboid 2 and cuboid 3. Okay. So volume of first cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So it is 3 into 3 into 5. So 3 3s are 9 and 9 5s are 45 centimeter cube. Then volume of second cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So see here, this is the length 4, this is 3 and height is 2. Okay, so sorry, 7. So it is 4 into 3 into 7. So 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. Okay, then volume of second cuboid, it is up to this it is 3. Okay, 5 and 3. 3 into 5 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45 centimeter cube. Okay, now next. Total volume is equal to volume of first cuboid, volume of second cuboid and volume of third cuboid. So 45 plus 84 plus 45. It is 174 cubic centimeter. Right? Now next. Find the volume of cube whose edge is. So it is 15 centimeter. Okay, so volume of cube is equal to side into side into side, that is 15 into 15 into 15. It is 215 multiplied by 15, that is 3375 centimeter cube. Okay, then next, now it is side is 6.5. So volume of cube is equal to side into side into side. So it is 6.5 multiplied by 6.5 multiplied by 6.5. It is 42.25 multiplied by 6.25. So it is 274.625. Okay, it is cubic centimeter, right? Now next. Volume of cube is equal to, it is 12.5 meter, right? So S into S into S, that is 12.5 multiplied by 12.5 multiplied by 12.5. Okay, so it is 1953.125 meter cube, right? Now the side is 15.1 centimeter. So volume of cube is equal to side into side into side, that is 15.1 multiplied by 15.1 multiplied by 15.1, we get 3442.951 centimeter cube. Okay. Now 2.7 is the side of a cube. So volume of cube is equal to side into side into side, that is 2.7 multiplied by 2.7 multiplied by 2.7, that is 19.683 meter cube. Okay. Next. 3.2 is the side. So volume of cube is equal to side into side into side. 3.2 multiplied by 3.2 multiplied by 3.2, we get 32.768 meter cube. Okay. Now question 2. Find the volume of cuboid with the following dimensions. Now dimensions are given and you have to calculate the volume of cuboid. So all the quantities are given, and this I can ask such type of example also for 2 marks. Okay. Length is 24, breadth is 10 and height is 12. So volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So it is 24 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 12. So 24 into 10 we get 240 multiplied by 12. So it is 2880 centimeter cube. Get it? Now next. Length is equal to 3.6 centimeter, breadth is equal to 2.4 centimeter and height is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. So volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So it is 3.6 multiplied by 2.4 multiplied by 2. So it is 3.6 multiplied by 4.8. So we get 17.28 centimeter cube. Okay. So length is 2.5, breadth is 1.5 and height is 2 centimeter. So volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So it is 2.5 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 2. So we get 2.5 multiplied by 3.0. So it is 0.75 centimeter cube. Okay. Now story sums. Okay. So let's start the story sum. A swimming tank, oh yeah, a story sum. If asked, I will ask for 2 marks. Okay, but there are smaller ones just like this first, second, third examples. Okay, so they are not very lengthy questions, so I can ask it for 2 marks also. Okay, so let's see. Lengthy story sum will not ask, but short story sum I can ask in for 2 marks. Okay, beta. So a swimming tank is 20 meter long, 15 meter broad and 2 meter in depth. What is the volume of the tank? The volume of tank is equal to length into breadth into height. So it is equal to 20 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 2. So we get 300 multiplied by 2. We get 600 meter cube. Okay. Now third question. A box is 18.2 centimeter long, 10.5 centimeter broad, 2 centimeter thick. What is the volume of the room? Okay, so it is also small, so I can ask it for 2 marks also. Okay, volume of a room is equal to length into breadth into height. So 18.2 multiplied by 10.5 multiplied by 2. So 18.2 multiplied by, I have multiplied 10.2 10.5 by 2. So we will get 21.0. So 18.2 multiplied by 21, we get 382.2 centimeter cube. Okay. Now next, fourth one. A dictionary measures 25 centimeter in length. okay, 18 centimeter in breadth and 7 centimeter in thickness. So what is the volume of the dictionary?